How to add profile picture on Runway ML. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you're trying to add a profile picture on Runway ML application so that your account looks more personal and professional, first of all launch open the Runway app on your smartphone. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and once you're inside, go to the upper left corner and tap on this menu button, and now click on your profile icon at the bottom left. On the next page, tap on your current profile icon at the top, and you can either take a photo from your device's camera or select an image or your photo from your device's library. Select any one option. I'm just going to select the pick from library option. Now choose a photo you'd like to use as your profile picture. Once done, wait for a few seconds. Now your profile picture will be changed on Runway ML application. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.